Go.
Hi everyone, this is Jacob from Jacob's Lego Life, and this is... Oh, there's a car over there. Oh yeah, this is Paul. Hi everyone, this is Jacob from Jacob's Lego Life, and I'm here at our town beach. Oh, look at the bridge. And I have my brand new RC car. I don't know what those people are doing. They're kind of a little...
They're parking.
Okay, good. I hope they don't get in my way.
Once they park, you're good.
Yeah, that's fine. And, we have my brand new RC car. Well, not really brand new, but it looks brand new. And this is a part 2, and we're gonna do full speed this time. So yeah, as you can see, it's a Legend racing truck. Really good kind. And it doesn't steer in sand, so I'm very sad that we can't use it in sand yet. But yeah, I'm not on full speed yet, but it just kind of looks cool going slow because I don't want to crash at full speed. But hold on, ready? Watch this. Dad, can I try full speed?
Yep. So watch this car. Watch out for
the...
their backup lights. Come on. Is that full speed?
Yeah. No, that's fast. Whatever, when you say that's fast,
Yeah.
I cannot run anything close to that. Ooh, it was crap. Did not know that was that deep. Turn around before I hit the rocks like I already did. Turn, 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 turn. Okay, I'm kind of getting a little